Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Biomed. Welcome to the Biomed Cafe channel. In this channel, complex biological and medical contents are presented in a simple, classified, and summarized form. The topic of this video is passive transport in the cell membrane. Please subscribe to this channel, and if you like the contents of this video, please like it. Selective permeability. Okay, the cell membrane is asymmetric. It means the intracellular side is not identical to the extracellular side of the membrane. There are differences between the intracellular side and the extracellular side. On the intracellular side of the membrane, some integral proteins bind to the fibers of the cytoskeleton. On the extracellular side, there are peripheral proteins that bind to the extracellular matrix. Also, there are carbohydrates that are attached to extracellular lipids or proteins. Also, the cell membrane is amphibatic, which means it has hydrophilic and hydrophobic regions. This characteristic helps the movement of some materials through the cell membrane. Some of this material can be transported easily, like lipid-soluble material with low molecular weight, fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, fat-soluble drugs and hormones, and molecule of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Some material cannot be transported easily, like small ions, sodium, potassium, calcium, and chloride, and larger polar molecules, simple sugars, and amino acids. Membrane transport can be divided to three groups: passive transport, active transport, and bulk transport. In this video, I want to talk about passive transport. Passive transport can be classified into three subgroups: simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and osmosis. Simple diffusion. Simple diffusion is a passive process of transport. It depends on concentration gradient. It means a substance tends to move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Simple diffusion doesn't need to cellular energy. Three factors affect simple diffusion: the steepness of the concentration gradient. As you see, the greater difference in concentration results in more rapid diffusion, but the lower difference in concentration results in a slower rate of diffusion. Mass of the molecules. As you see, heavier molecules result in a slower rate of diffusion, but lighter molecules result in more rapid diffusion. Temperature. Higher temperature increases the energy and therefore the movement of the molecule, increasing the rate of diffusion. Lower temperature decreases the energy and the rate of diffusion. Facilitated diffusion. It depends on the concentration gradient. doesn't need cellular energy. Transporting material with facilitated diffusion are ions or polar molecules. It's diffusion with the help of membrane proteins. These proteins are called transport proteins and can be channel proteins or carrier proteins. I will talk about channel proteins and carrier proteins in the next videos. Osmosis. Osmosis is the diffusion of water across a semi-permeable membrane. It depends on the concentration gradient, or the amount of water on each side of the membrane. The higher concentration of water is equal to the lower concentration of solutes. Water can move across most membranes by aquaporins. Water, like other substances, moves from an area of high concentration to one of low concentration. Thank you for watching. Please give me a comment and tell me what topics you would like to be presented in this cafe. In the next video, I will talk about channel protein in a simple, classified, and summarized form. Until the next video, bye!